10 degrees of flap. Columbia traffic, Cessna 384 Mike Echo at the 17 run up, taking 17 for a southwest departure, Columbia. Wind is negligible, so I'm going to use all available runways. I'm going to go all the way there.
Okay. Sure.
Because runway actually starts from here, but I can use up that area for takeoff. Another 500 feet at least. Guys ready? Adya? These are firefighting planes, Cal Fire.
Hey. Are there people there?
Not right now, but there will be. They will take water and then pour it on the fire. Okay. So we are going to use every inch of the runway because this is high density altitude airport. Okay. The yellow is not meant for takeoff. Every inch of the runway. Okay, so
Yes.
it's straight right now, no wind. Okay, full power.
Weather is good, right?
Huh?
Weather is good.
Weather is good. Full power, instruments in green. Okay, I have to rotate at 55. Airspeed is low, instruments in green. Rotate, climb at 60. Any obstacles? Do you see any obstacles?
No.
Okay, I can't go that way because there's...
Okay.
I'll climb a little bit more and then remove flaps. Okay? That's how the short field technique is.
Okay.
I'll climb at 60 still. Because there are some trees. Columbia traffic, Cessna 384 Mike Echo upwind 17 Columbia. Okay, now I can release flaps because we are above the obstacles. Okay. Oh, I didn't even program this thingy. Okay, that's fine. Right plan. Columbia traffic, Cessna 384 Mike Echo climbing, departed 17, climbing through 3,200, departing to the southwest Columbia.
Traffic tanker 100 is in a southeast turn, departing the area.
Traffic helicopter Star Reach crossing westbound, half mile north of the north end of the runway at 900 traffic.